Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets not loading on iPhone. If Google Sheets isn't loading on your iPhone, so here are the best fixes to get it working again. So first, go to your phone settings. Next, go to Wi-Fi and make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. If your connection is slow or unstable, Google Sheets may fail to load. Next, open Google Sheets again and force close the Google Sheets app. So swipe it up and swipe it away and reopen it and check if the issue is fixed. If you're using Google Sheets in Safari or another browser, refresh the page and try opening it in a different browser. Next, you should also check if the Google Sheets app needs an update. So you can open the App Store. So search for Google Sheets and install any available updates for Google Sheets. So click the update button and just wait for it to finish. And once updated, open Google Sheets again and see if that works. Next, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS by going to your settings, then scroll down and go to General. Next, select Software Update and install the latest update. So, installing the latest software updates can resolve compatibility issues. So after after trying these fixes, Google Sheets should load normally on your iPhone. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.